Hi, welcome to TeluguOne food channel. I'm your host Chef Savio and today we are going to make Mexican corn and bean salad. So let's get started.
So for that all the ingredients are here. We have some boiled chickpea, boiled red beans or rajma, onions, some red chili powder, sugar, salt, pepper, olive oil, some mixed bell peppers, red, yellow and green for the beautiful color, coriander chopped, lemon juice, tomatoes and some cumin powder. With our salad, first we'll be making our dressing. For the dressing, we'll take some cumin powder, chili powder, 1 teaspoon each, or if you want more spicy you can put pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, cracked black pepper, lemon juice. Mix it all. Now slowly add olive oil. The dressing should always have 1:3 portion. One is the part of the lemon juice and 3 parts of oil. The dressing is ready now. We'll start adding all the ingredients together. The boiled red beans, boiled chickpeas, colored peppers, the corn. This is already boiled. If you are using fresh or frozen, it doesn't matter, but you have to boil it before making the salad. Some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions. Now we'll add coriander leaves and mix it. You have to make sure it dresses well with the dressing and it mixes so that all the flavor are going inside in the beans and corn. The salad is nicely dressed and mixed. This can be served. You can keep it cold in the fridge and serve after some time, or else you can eat it straight away. The salad is ready now. The salad is ready. Make sure that all your beans are cooled down before you dress it. Garnish it with some coriander leaves, a pinch of red chili powder. It's ready to serve.